This is just getting embarrassing.
Dad, I hit the knife.
Hiccup! If you want to kill a dragon, you gotta stop all this. Please.
You just gestured to all of me.
Yes. Yes, I did.
Chief. I want to be just like you. I know I can be just like you. I wounded at least 7 dragons today.
She literally slayed it. Girl, slay! Sorry.
I'm impressed, Master. Keeping my eye on you.
If she were a kid, yes, we'd have someone to be proud of.
Yeah, right. She's just another girl. What did you say?
Shut your pie hole, Dave.
Shutting it. It's shut. This pie hole said nothing.
Good Chris. Go wrangle the cow that got lost in the fight.
On it.
And Hiccup. What's that sorry weapon?
Dad, I really hit the Night Fury.
God, or what am I going to do with him?
Put him in training with the rest of them.
He'd be killed before you let the first dragon out of its cage.
Give me a chance.
He has the attention span of a sparrow.
It's true. I take you fishing and you go hunting for trolls.
In fairness, trolls are evil movies. They steal your songs. But only the left ones.
Listen, Hiccup. When I was a boy,
Here we go.
my father told me to wrap my head straight into a boulder, and I did.
It's always been brave.
And that boulder crumbled into 1,000 little pieces. And it taught me what I was meant to be. It taught me what a Viking can do. And I don't think you can do it. Any of it.
Dad,
I'll see you at home.
so I can't do it. Dad, can't do anything. Unless maybe, can I sail any ship, steer it with an iron grip, tame the wild sea, crack a rock with my teeth, walk through fire with bare feet, and be totally carefree, and be all no big deal. That's me, 'cause that's what a Viking can do. Can I command any man and strike up about a plan, march into storm, crush a mountain with my hand, level force 'cause I can, under pressure just perform, and we all no big deal. That's me, and no one would disagree. That's what a Viking can do. Yeah, that's who I want to be.
Part of history.
Yeah, prove everybody wrong.
Show us that you're strong.
I'll forget where I did. I'll finally get down to see I want to be Oh my, I know I asked for a sign, but this. Hey, kill. This is your moment. Kill the Night Fury. You hit it, sir. Kill it. Oh jeez! Oh jeez! You're staring at me. Why are you staring at me? I need to kill you. Stop staring at me. Do I stop staring at you? Dad's right. I can't move. I bleed. Yeah, I guess I'm too afraid. Was it built to kill? Was there something in its eyes that took me by surprise? Could have struck, but it kept still. So maybe I let it go free. Just give up, 'cause I guess that's me. I'll prove what everyone already knew.
you, they're retractable. My name's Toothless, though, not that that's your business.
Maybe I'll call you Toothless. Not that I'm gonna keep you as a pet.
I am not a pet.
Okay, I'm sorry, I freed you, so go.
What is with you? Right. I can hear you, you can't hear me. But what is with you?
I can't kill dragons.
Welcome to Dragon Trading. The recruit who does best will win the honor of killing his or her first dragon in front of the entire village.
Well, Hiccup already killed Night Fury, so does that disqualify him?
Yeah, pal. How was that? Hiccup, my hero.
My beating heart. No one's ever even seen a Night Fury, much less killed one.
You know, Dad, these snippets have shown me maybe I really can't kill dragons, and me just thinking I could was just an inflation of ego. An ego we both know I don't even have.
Hiccup,
Dad, please don't make me do this.
I'm going out to hunt the Red Death.
You think she's real?
Like, not a myth?
I think she's real.
A dragon queen that rules them all.
I'm going to find her and her nest of dragons.
You think she's the key to stopping these wars?
I do. But while I am gone, you are in training. I want to believe in you, son. So let me try.
And did you get this show on the road?
Can I just transfer somewhere? Anywhere but here.
Lesson 1. Let's talk about survival. Lasted in the coast. Forget what you know. All the myths, let them go. So in the field, grab shields, protect the flame. Or bang them together, you're all dragon king. You wanna kill a dragon? Well, this is high stakes. You wanna kill a dragon?
Gobber, you saved me.
And Hiccup, you're out. Is this some kind of a joke to him?
Yeah, way to be a fail.
Gobber,
I won't tell your dad.
thanks, but I was actually wondering,
What?
how many shots does a Night Fury have?
Why are you asking about Night Furies?
No reason, just some curious kid.
For better or worse.
We really don't know anything about the comics.
No one's ever met a Night Fury and lived to tell the tale.
Because it would definitely kill me, right? It would like wake up from a big dreamy nap and look at me with big dreamy eyes and let me go, because that would be crazy.
That would be crazy. Because it would absolutely
Kill me.
kill you. Take this dragon manual. It has everything we know of every dragon we know of. Study up. Because Hiccup, the dragon always goes for the kill.